everyone, it's KK Thompson. What a guan. Today I'll be making for you carrot juice with ginger and lemon. You know that carrot juice is not just refreshing, but it's an immune booster. It is said that lemon contains over 35 milligrams of vitamin C, which is over half the amount of vitamin C needed for the body within a 24 hours. Ginger also reduces inflammation, it relieves pain, and it strengthens the immune system. When we talk about carrot, we always talk about lightening of skin. But the carrot is more than that. The carrot health benefits improve the vision, heart health, and it aids in weight loss as well. They also say that carrot is a good source of vitamin A, okay, which help prevent night blindness and dry eyes. So come with me and let I show you how I put my carrot, ginger, and lemon together to make the juice. So what I'm doing here, I am just peeling my carrots. So I'm going to go ahead and peel all the carrots. This is about 2 pounds, 2 to 3 pounds of carrots. So I'm going to finish peel everything, wash them, and come right back. So here's my carrot fully washed and ready to cut up. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to cut up these carrots in sizes that are manageable for my blender, and I'm going to cut up some ginger as well, and I'm going to go ahead and blend the ginger and the carrot. So stay tuned and watch the process. And this is where I want to take the opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for coming through. I am seeing you on my videos, and I just want to say I appreciate you. For those that are watching that are not yet part of the team, what are you waiting on? If you see something that you like, come on board, and you can do so by liking the video, leaving a comment, share the video, and subscribe. So it is time to blend. It is time to blend. So based on the portion that I have here, I am going to blend 2 times. Okay. So I will put water in above the carrots, and I will blend. I blend it twice on high speed. So I will blend and strain and blend again. Keep watching to the end. Thank you for staying tuned. After finish straining, What I do here, I'll just cut my lemon. I'm not using more than one lemon because I use a little more than the norm ginger. So I don't want to put too much lemon in there because I don't want it to bitter. Okay, so I'm just squeezing my lemon in now with my hand. Guys, if you notice, the lemon is managing me, but that's fine. So I squeeze my lemon and then I'll go ahead and sweeten my carrot, ginger, lemon juice. You can drink it just as it is if you're a diabetic or you're doing it the healthy way. For some of us, we want a little sweetener. So whatever your sweetener is, you can go ahead and sweeten it. Right now, for me, I am using some cane sugar. So I'm going in with my cane sugar as my sweetener. I use about 3/4 cups of sugar. I don't use the measurement, but I ice it, okay? So about 3/4 cups of sugar. And remember, it's cane sugar, so it's going to take a little while to dissolve. So I'll just sweeten until it dissolve. And when you see me next, I'll be serving you up some refreshing carrot, ginger, lemon juice. Now I am serving you my carrot, ginger, lemon juice. From my kitchen to yours, juice is served. Thank you for staying to the end. I'll see you in another video. Walk good.